Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. Yesterday in one of my online classes, the thorny issue of politics reared its ugly head, as it often does. A couple of the students started getting involved in what became quite a heated political discussion, while the third student in that particular group basically opted out and said, to be honest, I have less than zero interest in politics. It's a subject I try to avoid like the plague. In this case, the plague refers to the bubonic plague, sometimes known as the Black Death, which swept across Europe throughout the Middle Ages, killing millions of people. Obviously, something that you want to avoid, a bit like coronavirus. And if you say you avoid something or someone like the plague, it means that you really try hard to avoid it. You go out of your way to avoid it. So if you avoid a topic like the plague, anytime someone starts talking about it, you maybe try to change the conversation. If you work with someone you really don't get on with, you probably try to avoid them like the plague. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of things that you avoid like the plague.